Stop! Before you buy your first crypto and potentially lose everything. Did you know that over $3 billion was lost to crypto scams in 2023 alone? That's someone losing their life savings every 14 minutes. But here's the thing. While thousands are getting wrecked, smart investors are quietly building generational wealth. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to join the winners, without becoming another statistic. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Crypto isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, despite what TikTok gurus tell you. It's a financial revolution that's minting millionaires and destroying bank accounts. On one side, you have people who bought Bitcoin at $100 and are now retired at $30. On the other side, people who trusted the wrong exchange, clicked the wrong link, or bought the wrong coin and lost everything. The difference? They followed a system. And today, you're getting that exact system. The same one I used to turn $500 into $50,000 completely safely. But first, a reality check. Crypto is volatile. It's largely unregulated. And yes, it's risky. But so is investing in Amazon in 1997 or Apple in 1980. The question isn't whether you should invest. It's whether you'll do it smart or stupid. The golden rule: start with winners. Here's where 90% of beginners mess up. They chase the shiny new coin with the funny dog logo, instead of building a foundation with the giants. Listen carefully. Your first crypto purchase should be boring. Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Solana if you've done your homework. These aren't moonshots, they're the blue chips of crypto. The smart starter portfolio: Bitcoin, BTC, 60%, Ethereum, ETH, 30%. Research one more, 10%. Avoid meme coins, celebrity endorsements, next Bitcoin claims. Want to research like a pro? Bookmark these sites right now. CoinGecko for market data, CoinMarketCap for rankings, Masari for deep dives. Even Fidelity has a crypto education center. Pro tip: if you can't explain why you're buying a coin in one sentence, you're not ready to buy it. Don't gamble with platforms. Pop quiz: what do FTX, Mt. Gox, and dozens of other exchanges have in common? They all collapsed, taking billions in user funds with them. This is why choosing the right exchange is literally make or break. You wouldn't store your life savings in a sketchy bank, so why trust your crypto to a sketchy exchange? The Exchange Safety Checklist. 1. Regulated in the US. 2. Requires ID verification, KYC. 3. Has two-factor authentication. 4. Ensures user funds or stores 95% plus in cold storage. 5. Has been around for 3+ years without major hacks. The winners? Coinbase, beginner-friendly but higher fees. Kraken, lower fees, more advanced. Gemini, super secure backed by regulation. Red flags: promises of no KYC, unrealistic returns, offshore locations, or apps you found through random YouTube ads. If it sounds too good to be true, it's probably a honeypot waiting to drain your wallet. Alright, you've picked your exchange, you're verified, now what? Time to fund your account. Here's the insider knowledge most YouTubers won't tell you. Bank transfers, cheapest but slow, 2-5 days. Debit cards, instant but expensive, 3 to 4% fees. PayPal, fast and convenient, moderate fees. My recommendation: use bank transfers for large amounts, debit cards for small, urgent buys. Now, the buy order. You have two choices. 1. Market order. Buy right now at whatever price. Fast, but you might overpay. 2. Limit order. Buy only if it hits my price. Slower, but you control the price. But here's the secret sauce: dollar cost averaging. Instead of throwing $1,000 at Bitcoin today, invest $100 every week for 10 weeks. This smooths out the roller coaster and removes emotion from your decisions. Case study: $50 invested monthly in Bitcoin since 2020 would be worth over $300 today, despite all the crashes. Congratulations, you own crypto. Now comes the hard part: keeping it. Because here's what they don't tell you. Exchanges are honeypots for hackers. The crypto golden rule: not your keys, not your coins. Translation: if you don't control the private keys, you don't really own your crypto. Wallet comparisons: hot wallets, software wallets like MetaMask. Free and convenient. Connected to the internet, they are hackable. Cold wallets, hardware wallets like Ledger. Virtually unhackable when used correctly. You control your keys 100%. Cost $60, $150. Less convenient for trading. But listen to this carefully. Your seed phrase is your crypto's birth certificate and death certificate combined. Lose it and your crypto is gone forever. Someone steals it and your crypto is gone forever. The bulletproof backup method: write it down on paper, never digital. Make 2-3 copies. Store in separate, secure locations. Consider a fireproof safe or safety deposit box. Pro tip, test your backup. Send a small amount to your wallet, delete the app, restore from seed phrase. If it works, you're golden. Avoid these landmines. Let me save you thousands of dollars and months of regret by sharing the biggest mistakes I see beginners make. Mistake number 5, investing more than you can afford to lose. Never invest rent money, emergency funds, or money you need within 2 years. Crypto can drop 80% and stay there for years. Mistake number 4, FOMO buying during hype cycles. When everyone's talking about crypto, prices are usually at their peak. Be greedy when others are fearful. Mistake number 3, ignoring taxes. In most countries, crypto gains are taxable. Keep records of every transaction or you'll hate yourself at tax time. Mistake number 2, falling for scams. That Telegram group promising airdrops? Scam. That email saying your wallet is compromised? Scam. That celebrity endorsing a new coin? Probably a scam. Mistake number 1, panic selling during crashes. Crypto is volatile. If you can't handle seeing your portfolio drop 50%, you invested too much. The winners, they diversify across 3, 5 coins, they rebalance quarterly, they ignore the noise, and they think in years, not days. Level up. Want to find the next 100x gem? Here's how the pros do it. And no, it's not throwing darts at a board. The 5-pillar analysis. 1. Real utility. Does it solve an actual problem? 2. Team credibility. Are they doxed? Track record? 3. Tokenomics. Supply inflation, burn mechanisms. 4. Community, active GitHub, engaged Twitter following. 5. Partnerships, real companies, not just announcements, tools for finding gems, CoinMarketCap's trending section, Twitter crypto spaces, Reddit r cryptocurrency, filter by rising, DeFi Pulse for DeFi projects. But remember, even with perfect analysis, most new projects fail. Only invest what you can afford to lose and never more than 5% of your portfolio in any single moonshot. There you have it, your complete blueprint for buying crypto safely. No hype, no BS, just the exact system that's protected thousands of investors and built countless success stories. But here's the thing, information without action is just entertainment. The crypto market doesn't wait for anyone. While you're thinking about it, others are already building their positions. So here's what you do next. 1. Pick your exchange and get verified today. 2. Start with $50 to $100 and practice the process. 3. Set up your secure wallet and back up your seed phrase. 4. Begin your DCA strategy immediately. Drop a comment right now with the first coin you're planning to buy. I read every comment and will personally reply with my thoughts. And if this video just saved you from making a costly mistake, smash that like button and subscribe to Capital Course for more no BS crypto education. Next week, I'm releasing the 7 crypto scams that steal 1 million daily. You won't want to miss that one. Until then, invest smart, stay safe, and remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.